Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the English Language Arts Content and Analysis test? This is test number 5039. Praxis 5039 has several subtopics. This worked solutions set covers the subtopic of writing, speaking, and listening. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's jump right in. Question number 1. The author is writing a personal memoir about their experiences in a war. Which mode of writing would be best suited for this? Descriptive, persuasive, narrative, or expository? Starting at the top, while this mode emphasizes detailed and vivid descriptions of places, people, and events, it is typically less focused on the progression of events or personal experiences in a storytelling format. So we can cross that out. Next, this mode is intended to convince the reader of a particular viewpoint or to persuade them to take a specific action. In the context of a memoir, the primary goal is not persuasion, but reflection and storytelling. So we can eliminate that as well. Jumping to expository. Expository writing is used to explain or inform, typically in a straightforward and logical manner. It focuses on facts and information rather than personal narratives and emotional journeys. So we can eliminate that as well. We're left with narrative. For writing a personal memoir about experiences in a war, the best suited mode of writing would be a narrative. This mode is focused on storytelling, which is essential for a memoir. It allows the author to recount personal experiences, events, and emotions in a structured format that guides the reader through the narrative chronologically or thematically. Narrative writing is characterized by elements such as character development, plot structure, and conflict resolution, which are ideal for capturing and conveying personal experiences in a war, making the story engaging and meaningful for the reader. So narrative is the correct answer. Question number 2. Which of the following is an appropriate transitional phrase to indicate a contrast or a contradiction? However, for instance, in the same way, moreover. Starting at the bottom. Moreover. This is an additive transitional phrase used to add information that agrees with or builds upon the previous material. It does not indicate a contradiction or contrast, but rather reinforces or extends a previously stated idea. So we can cross that out. In the same way. This transition suggests a similarity or comparison, not a contrast. It is used to show how two or more ideas are similar or follow the same pattern. So not the correct answer either. For instance, this phrase is used to introduce a specific example or instance that illustrates a point previously mentioned. It does not indicate contrast, but rather serves to clarify or exemplify. So we can cross that out as well. However, the transitional phrase that appropriately indicates a contrast or contradiction is however. This transitional word is commonly used to introduce a statement that contrasts with or contradicts something that has been mentioned previously. It signals a shift in thought or shows an exception, making it ideal for highlighting differences or opposing ideas within a text. So however is the correct answer here. Question number 3. Which of the following statements is the most clear, concise, and logically presented? The dog, a black Labrador that is 3 years old, chased the ball. This sentence is overly complicated with commas and clauses that interrupt the flow. The phrase structure makes it somewhat cumbersome to read and understand quickly. So let's eliminate that one. The ball was chased by the 3-year-old Labrador. While this sentence is relatively clear, it uses the passive voice, which is generally less direct and engaging than the active voice. So we can cross that one out as well. The black Labrador chased the ball. The dog is 3 years old. This option breaks the information into 2 sentences, which disrupts the flow and makes the information less concise. So we can cross that out as well. Now we have the 3-year-old black Labrador chase the ball. This is the clearest, most concise, and most logically presented. This sentence combines all necessary details into a single fluid statement without unnecessary interruptions or clauses. It clearly communicates the age, breed, and action of the dog in a straightforward manner. And so it is the correct answer here. Question number 4. Which of the following strategies is best suited for teaching students the stages of the writing process, from brainstorming to publishing? Direct instruction, cooperative learning, writing workshop, or Socratic questioning? Let's look at Socratic questioning first. This method involves deep questioning to stimulate critical thinking and illuminate ideas. However, it's more suited to exploring concepts or discussing texts, rather than teaching a procedural skill like writing. It may enhance brainstorming, but doesn't necessarily support the full spectrum of writing stages effectively. So we can cross that out. Next, to direct instruction. While direct instruction is effective for delivering specific information and demonstrating techniques, it is less interactive and does not provide students with as much opportunity to practice and refine their writing through stages. So we can cross that one out as well. Cooperative learning. Although cooperative learning is beneficial for developing social skills and learning from peers, it might not cover all aspects of the writing process. So we can eliminate that one as well. We're left with writing workshop. The best suited strategy for teaching students the stages of the writing process, from brainstorming to publishing, is writing workshop. This method involves a structured yet flexible approach where students are actively engaged in various stages of the writing process under the guidance of the teacher. Writing workshops typically include mini lessons on specific aspects of writing, followed by writing time and ending with sharing or publishing sessions. This setup allows students to experience and understand each stage of the writing process: brainstorming, drafting, revising, editing, and publishing through direct practice. So writing workshop is the correct answer. I trust I was able to clarify this subtopic of writing, speaking, and listening for the English Language Arts Content and Analysis Test, so that you now have a better understanding of the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.